So I am taking few transactions here. Imagine 2022. Let me make it little big. And Jan 1st, right?
Yep.
Purchase, let me do it. Commenced business. Commenced business with the cash $10,000. Okay. Jan 2nd, then we have purchased furniture for cash $2,000. Then Jan 3rd, purchased goods for cash $5,000. Jan 4, sold goods on account $4,000. Jan 5, paid salary $500. Jan 6, received cash from the customer $4,000. So these are the transactions we have, right?
Yep.
So first we will understand the journal entries, okay?
Yeah.
So let me copy the format and let me put here. So this is the format we will be following. Here it will be details. Okay. And this is the dollar sign. Now tell me what will be the entry for the first transaction. The first transaction.
So the two variables are gonna be cash and business. So wait, let me write it.
What will be the journal entry?
Oh, just a second, I'll do it. Business is also an asset, right?
No. Which two items affected? First you tell me.
Cash and
Cash
business.
and
Oh, capital, sorry.
yes, cash and capital.
So
Okay.
then it's gonna be asset and capital. And
both are increasing, right?
yeah, so increase in asset credit, increase in
asset
capital
debit.
debt.
Increase in asset debit.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Cash
Debit and
debit
then
and capital account credit, right?
yeah.
Money $10,000. Understood?
Yep.
Narration I am not writing now. Now next transaction Jan 2nd. Tell me the journal entry.
So it's gonna be furniture and cash. So both are asset. Furniture is increasing, cash is decreasing. So furniture is debit and cash is credit. So gonna be furniture
account debit and cash account credit, right?
2,000.
2,000. Understood?
Yep.
Now next transaction Jan 3rd. Tell me.
This is gonna be purchase and cash. So then cash is an asset and purchase is it
Purchase is expense.
Expense, right?
Tell me.
So purchase is increasing, cash is decreasing. So decrease in asset is credit. So and increase in purchase is debit.
No, increase in expense.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
So purchase account debit. Next line, cash account, right?
Yeah.
How much dollar? It is $5,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Next transaction, tell me Jan 4.
So sales and trade receivable. Sales is income. Wait. It's revenue,
Yeah.
and trade receivable is wait, it's also revenue. Yeah. So then
Trade receivable is not revenue. What it will be?
wait, should be asset.
Yes. Trade receivable is
Yeah.
asset. Now tell me
Yeah.
what will be the journal entry?
So trade receivable will be debit and sales will be credit. So
Yes.
yeah,
Increase in
trade
asset
receivable
debit.
account debit. Yeah,
Trade receivable debit in the next line, increase in revenue credit. Isn't
credit.
it?
Yeah.
Revenue is
Yeah.
increasing credit. Agree?
Yep.
Yeah. Now transaction 5th. Jan
Yeah.
5.
So salary and cash. Salary is expense, cash is asset.
Hmm.
Asset is decreasing, expense is increasing.
Mm-hmm.
So decrease in asset credit,
Mm-hmm.
and salary is gonna be debit.
So salary debit, and which account do I have to
Yeah.
credit?
Uh,
Which account will be credited?
cash.
Yes, because cash is decreasing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Now last transaction. Just a minute. Last transaction. Tell me what is the last transaction?
So it's gonna be cash and trade receivable.
Yes, cash, and because customer is paying na, here I sold goods on account, right?
Yeah.
Now that person is paying me money now.
Yeah.
Jan 4th I sold goods, Jan 6th I am getting money. Tell me.
So it's gonna be cash debit, trade receivable credit because both are asset.
Yeah. So
Be
cash
trade
accounted
receivable.
debit. Next
Yeah, and
one,
trade receivable
trade
account.
receivable credit. How much money? 4,000. Agree? Or
Yeah.
let's say we got only 3,000. Remaining 1,000 he will pay us in future. Okay. For now only
Yeah.
he paid 3,000, right?
Right.
He is not telling that I am not going to pay. He will pay, but later on. Out of four, 3,000
Yeah.
he paid. Still, he owe us $1,000, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So all the journal entries we have done. Any doubt in entries?
Nope.
Now we will make a list of ledger accounts, right?
Yeah.
The first account will be cash, then capital, then furniture, and then purchases. After that, trade receivable. Understood?
Yep.
Then sales account, then salary account. That's all, right?
Yeah.
So how many accounts we need to open? 1, 2, 3, 4,
7.
5, 6, 7 account we need to open.
Yeah.
Agree? So now
Yep.
I am going to open those 7 accounts, then we will see the ledger posting. So all the accounts are ready, right?
Yep.
So let me delete this list now. We no more require this. And using this ledger, now I am going to make ledger posting. So let me delete these transactions also. Okay. So tell me, in first entry, how many accounts are there?
2.
Cash and capital, right?
Yeah.
The cash is debited, so in the cash account debit side, I will write 10,000 and name of the opposite account will come, right?
Yep.
In detail column, name of the opposite account will be mentioned and date will be 2022 Jan 1st.
Yep.
So cash account, we made the posting in the cash account, right?
Yeah.
Now in the capital account, it is credited. So in the capital account on the credit side, 10,000 and name of the opposite account will come cash and it is Jan 1st, 2022. Done?
Yeah.
The posting done in the capital account also, right?
Yep.
Now we are going to make posting of the second journal entry. In that, how many accounts are there?
2. Furniture and cash.
Furniture and cash. So furniture debited, right?
Yeah.
So this is my furniture account here. On the debit side, I
Yeah.
will write 2000 and name of the opposite account will come cash.
Yeah.
Jan 2nd, 2022. Right?
Yeah. Yep.
Now we will make posting in the cash account. Which side?
Credit.
Credit, because it is credited in the entry. So in the cash account credit side, I will put the money 2000, and here name of the opposite account is
Furniture.
furniture. Date Jan 2nd, 2022. Right?
Yep.
Now next third entry we need to make ledger posting. So purchase
Yeah.
debited, right?
Yep.
So this is my purchase account and debit side I will make posting 5,000. Name of the opposite account is cash
Cash.
and date is Jan 3rd, 2022.
Yeah.
So we made the posting in the purchase account, isn't it?
Yep.
Now next posting will be where?
Credit.
Cash account. So
Cash.
this is my cash account. Credit side
Yeah.
5,000. And name of the opposite account is purchase Jan 3rd, right?
Yeah.
So we made posting in the cash account also. Now fourth entry. Which two accounts are there?
Trade receivable and sales.
So trade receivable debited with 4,000, right? Debited
Yeah.
by 4,000. So trade receivable debited by 4,000. Name of the opposite account is sales, right? Jan 4.
Yeah.
Jan 4, 2022.
Yeah.
We made posting in the trade receivable. Now we need to make posting in the sales account. Credited. So
Yeah.
sales account credited by 4,000. So credit side 4,000 and
Trade receivable.
trade receivables. I have to write.
Yeah. And fourth Jan.
And date will be Jan 4, 2020. Agree?
Yep.
So we made posting in the sales account. Now next posting will be salary and cash, isn't it?
Yeah.
So salary debited 500. So this is my salary account. Debit side I will write 500. Name of the other account is cash. Date
Yeah.
will be Jan 5, 2022.
Yeah.
Salary account I made the posting. Now I need to make posting in the cash account. Credited by 500. So this is my cash
Credit.
account. Credit side I will write 500.
Yeah.
Name of the other account
Salary.
is salary. Date is Jan 5. Done?
Yep.
So we did posting in the cash account also. Now next and the last entry is cash debit and trade receivable credit, right?
Yeah.
So see what I will do. So cash debited. So debit side 3,000 I will write. Debit side 3,000. And name of the other account is trade
Trade receivable.
trade receivables. How much money? 3,000. Date Jan 6th.
Jan.
So we did a posting in the cash account. Now trade receivable credited by 3, right?
Yeah.
Trade receivable credited by 3. So this is my trade receivable account credited. So I will put on the credit side and name of the other account is cash. Jan 6th, 2020. Understood the ledger posting?
Yep.
So we have done journal entries and we have made the ledger posting also. Now
Yep.
after ledger posting, what I am supposed to do? Balancing.
Yep.
So balancing, I will compute balance for each account. Ready?
Yep.
Now see how I am balancing. So first I am going to balance the cash account. So see here what I will do this. Just a minute. Let me draw this total line. Before we make the balance, we need to put the total also. Isn't it?
Yep.
Done. Now I am computing the balance for the cash account. Cash account, tell me which side total is more?
So it's credit side is more.
Are you sure?
Oh, sorry. Debit side is more.
So what is the total? 10,000 plus 3. 13?
10,300.
Same total I will write
13.
here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Parallel to this line, same total I will write here. Now in this empty space, from this 13 I will subtract all the figures, right? Credit side.
Yeah.
So balance is 5,500, isn't it?
Yeah.
Balance carried down. Jan 31st, last day of the month.
Yeah.
Now tell me, it is debit balance or credit balance?
This is credit balance. Oh, sorry. This is debit balance.
Why?
Because the balance we have left is in the debit account because we have more money in the debit account.
Yes, because debit side total is more. So whatever balance left, that is debit balance, right?
Yeah.
So it is, though we have written on the credit side, but it is debit balance, right? Now capital account, which side total is more?
Sorry? Credit side is more.
10,000, and
Yeah.
then 2022 Jan 31st, I will write here balance carried down 10,000. It is debit balance or credit balance?
This is credit balance.
Yes, correct. Now next, furniture, which side total is more?
Uh, Debit.
So 2000, same 2000 I will write here, isn't it?
Yep.
So 2022 Jan 31st, balance carried down. Debit balance or credit balance, this one?
This is debit balance.
Debit balance. We are getting this voice. What is this voice all about?
Voice. What voice?
Some message is popping up, I guess. Okay,
No.
anyways, come next, purchase account. 5,000 debit side is more, right?
Yeah.
2022 Jan 31st, last day of the month, balance CD means carried down.
Yeah.
Okay. So this side whole account I have balanced, right?
Yep.
Now come to the trade receivable. Which side total is more?
Debit.
4,000, same total I will write 4,000. 4 minus 3, how much?
1,000.
Yes, 1,000. Jan 31st. Balance carried down. It is debit
Yeah.
or credit balance?
This is debit balance.
Yeah, now I have to balance the sale account. 4,000, same 4,000 I will write here. Last day of the month 2022, Jan 31st, balance carried down. How much money? 4,000,
4,000.
right?
Yeah.
It is which balance? Debit or credit?
This is credit balance.
Yeah, now come to the salary. 500, same 500 I will write here. And 2022 Jan 31st, balance
Yeah.
carried down. Debit balance or
Yeah.
credit balance?
This is debit balance.
Yeah. So we have done journal entries, we have done ledger posting, and we calculated the balance of all the accounts, right?
Yep.
Now, what is the next stage? After calculating the balance for each account, the next stage is preparation of trial balance. Okay?
Yeah.
So now I am preparing the trial balance, and I will tell you why trial balance is important, how it look like.
Sorry, what is the term again? Can you repeat that?
Trial balance. I'm going to write.
Trial balance. Okay.
Yeah. So the format, right now I'm drawing the format, okay?
Yeah.
So first column is serial number. Next is the name of ledger accounts. Third is debit balance column and credit balance column. This is the format we will be following, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And in the middle, I will write the heading, trial balance. And when we are preparing as at 31st Jan 2022, last day of the month I am preparing, right?
Okay.
And why I am writing as at, it has importance. The as at, it has a specific meaning, okay?
Okay.
We will discuss that. What does as at mean?
Yeah.
So understood the format?
Yeah.
Heading, then we need to write the date, on which date we are preparing that. Then 5 column, serial number, name of ledger accounts, debit balance, credit balance column. Got it?
Yeah.
So how many accounts do we have total?
7.
7. So I will write serial number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any doubt?
No.
Understood?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Which is the first account?
Cash.
So that I will write here, cash account. Cash account. Okay. Now tell me, cash account is showing debit balance or credit balance?
Cash is showing debit balance.
How much?
5,500.
So that we need to write. Only balance we have to show. Name of the account and it is showing debit balance, so showing the debit column 5,500. Got it?
Yep.
Understood what we are supposed to do?
Yep.
Now, which is the next account after cash?
Capital.
Showing how much balance?
It's showing credit balance 10,000.
Yes, so that I will show here. Capital account is the second one. Okay. And credit balance showing. So put in the credit column. Got it?
Yeah.
So understood. Here I will write the name of the account and here I will show their balances. If debit balance, debit column, credit balance, credit column. Got it?
Yep.
Now third account after capital we have furniture, right?
Yeah.
And it is showing debit balance 2,000, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that furniture account I will write here. Furniture account. And debit balance showing na? So 2,000 I will write on the debit side. Got it?
Yeah.
Now fourth account which we have. Name of the fourth account is purchase, right? And it is showing debit balance 5,000, isn't it?
Yep.
So purchase account I will show and debit balance 5,000. Agree?
Yep.
And next account we have which one? Trade receivable.
Receivable.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So, and how much showing debit balance it is showing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's showing 1,000.
1,000 debit balance. So that debit balance I will put on the debit column, debit balance column. Now next account we have is sales account, isn't it?
Yeah, it's showing balance.
Which balance? Huh?
Credit balance.
Yes, credit balance. Now the last account we have is salary account, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is the balance?
500 debit balance.
Yes, so 500 debit balance. Understood?
Yep.
So got it what we are supposed to do? Just write the name of the account and show their balances.
Yep.
And debit balance in debit column, credit balance and credit column. After that, then we need to make total of both the balance columns. And
Yes.
total should come same. So first I am making total of the debit balance column, right?
Yeah.
So total is coming this 14,000. And let's see what is the total of what is this total of credit column, okay?
Yeah.
14,000. So total
So
coming
we,
equal,
yeah.
right? So this,
Yeah.
after showing all the accounts and their balances, we have to calculate the total.
Does it always have to be the same, or it
Yes,
can...
always it should be equal.
Okay.
I hope understood this.
Yes.
If it is not equal, it means we have done some arithmetic error.
Right.
Understood how? Now let me tell you what is arithmetic error.
Yeah.
Okay. Right now total coming equal na?
Yeah.
Both the columns showing same balance. It means there is no arithmetic error. We didn't make any arithmetic error, right?
Right.
Now see, I will make one arithmetic error, and after that you will see the total will not come same. Both the column will show
Right.
like a different amount.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see what is arithmetic error. That is important. Arithmetic error means when you debited one account with some amount, so the other account should also be credited with the same amount.
Yeah.
That is called arithmetic accuracy.
Right.
But if you don't follow that, that will create arithmetic error.
Right.
Like let's say cash account I debited na 10,000.
Yeah.
Cash account debited. So see the cash account. I debited with 10, right?
Yeah.
Can you see I debited with 10?
Yes.
And the capital account I should credited with 10. Na?
Yeah.
So see capital account here I credited with 10, right?
Yeah.
It is arithmetic accuracy. But instead of 10,000, if I write only 1,000, this is called arithmetic error.
Right.
Because one account I debited with 10. See here.
Yeah.
So another account I should credited with 10, right? But
Yeah.
rather putting 10,000, what amount I put? Which amount I put? 1,000.
Yeah.
Now see the balance of capital account. How much balance it will show? 1,000, 1,000,
Yeah.
and 1,000, right?
Yeah.
Because of that mistake, the balance is now capital account will show how much balance.
1,000.
And see in trial balance also I will show 1,000 only. Isn't it?
Right. Yeah.
Now see both are showing same amount.
No.
How much difference?
9,000 different.
It means I have done arithmetic error.
Right.
Got it?
Yep.
So that's the reason we prepare trial balance. At the end of the
Yeah.
year, when all journal entries are done, ledger posting is done, we will prepare this trial balance. In that, we will show all the accounts and their balances, and we will
Yep.
check the total. If total is coming equal, it means our ledger posting is perfectly correct.
Yeah.
And if total is not coming equal, it means somewhere I made mistake.
So we need to, if it's not equal, then we need to go through the entire ledger
Yeah,
again to
we
see.
need to verify where what went wrong. Cash debited with 10, but capital is not credited with 10. So we got
To
that.
to verify the entire thing, we need to refer to the journal.
Go, yes. No. Journal is usually correct only.
No, no, like say I made a mistake and I want to like check where I made the mistake.
All
So to
entries,
find out,
all entries again I need to verify that correctly posted or not.
so we have to check from the journal if
Yes.
it's correct.
Journal
Okay.
to ledger. I have to cross
Yeah.
verify. Journal entry, each entry I have to check again. So when I will
Yeah.
check, I will find out my mistake. Got it?
Yeah.
And if suppose I have gone through, but still I am not able to find the mistake and I don't have time. So I
Yeah.
can't keep waiting, keep holding my work till trial balance. Na?
Yeah.
Suppose I got this situation 14,000 debit, credit side 5,000, right?
Yeah.
So now what is the problem? I have to check where is the difference 9,000, why it is coming. So I
Yeah.
spent 2 days, 3 days in finding that mistake, but still unable to find. So, but I can't
Yeah.
keep on finding, right?
Yeah.
I have to go for the next stage also, isn't it?
Yep.
So what I do for the time being, I will open one more account. See here, number 8. And the name of the account is, what is the name?
Suspense.
Suspense account I will open. And that 9,000 I will put it. Which side total is less?
Credit.
So there I will put 9,000.
But then say you don't know if you made the mistake in debit or credit because
Yeah. For time being, this is the time being arrangement. This
oh,
is
okay.
the temporary arrangement.
So for temporary, you can just say whichever one has less, you can just add the amount missing.
Yeah, I will add the amount and what name I will put?
Suspense.
Suspense account. Got it? Temporary arrangement. And later on, whenever I will
So then,
find that, later on, whenever I will find a mistake, I will rectify that mistake. And when I will rectify, this suspense account will disappear then.
okay. So
Okay?
then,
So I have to
basically it's
open.
just like a temporary solution. So later you have to go through everything again to
Yes,
find
yes,
that.
later on. So I have to open suspense account again. Not again, like I have to go and because the suspense was not there in the ledger, no?
Yeah.
So I have to open it. Suspense account, I have to open in the ledger and the amount is in which column?
It's in credit column.
So I will put here suspense account credit side I will put. How much money? 9,000.
9,000.
Date Jan 31st. And I will write here difference in trial balance. Difference in trial
And
balance.
do we make the transfers at the end of the year?
No,
End
journal
of
entry
the
not required.
No, no, no. Like when we make the trial balance thing,
Mhm.
is it at the end of the year or end of the month?
No, usually we prepare at the end of the year, but here only 1 month data I have taken. Na?
Right.
So at the
Okay.
end of the month I prepared it. But usually
Yes.
businesses they prepare at the end of the year only.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
suspense, I prepared the trial balance, I got this difference. So temporary, I put the difference in the suspense account. And
Yeah.
I need to go back in the ledger. I have to open suspense account. Amount is in credit column, right?
Yep.
So that's why I will put it credit side this. Jan 31st, difference in trial balance 9,000. Now I need to find the balance. 9,000, 9,000, and I will write here 9,000 and I will write here balance carried down Jan 31st, 2020.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep.
So once you prepare the trial balance, then only you will get to know that whether do we need to open suspense account or we don't.
Yeah.
So when do we need to open suspense account?
When the total is not equal, when the debit and credit side is not equal.
If total is not equal, it means we made which type of mistake?
Arithmetic error.
Arithmetic error. And you know what is arithmetic error? When one
Yeah,
account
it's
is
when you make a
debited
calculation.
with some amount, so other account should be credited with the same amount, right?
Yeah.
If we have not followed that, so that will start showing arithmetic mistake.
Yeah.
And suspense account is permanent solution or temporary solution?
Temporary.
Temporary, because I can't keep on waiting and finding that error. I need to go for the next stage also, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. I hope understood this trial balance.
Yes.
Any doubt so far? Tell me.
No. Actually, yeah. So say in school, like say in the exam, they ask us to make a trial balance,
Mhm.
and then you end up like getting not equal like debit and credit. Say you make a mistake.
You
So
need to wait. Hold on. You need to join again, okay? Because I need to upgrade the account.
oh, okay.
Okay. Use the same link after 1 minute. Okay.
Okay.